Hi there! In today's video, I will be speed cleaning my small living room. If you need some motivation to get up and tackle your own mess at home, stay tuned and clean with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. And if you are new here to my channel, hello, my name is Selle. I am a working mom of one sweet boy and two crazy dogs. I would love to have you back here and join my YouTube family. So if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing. I upload new one every single week. I'm not going to be talking too much in this video, but I hope this will spark some motivation for you to go get up and tackle your to-do list. This bin is dedicated for my Halloween and fall decor. Since I don't have a lot, they all fit in here. So I'm just gonna take down all my Halloween decor and I'm gonna leave a few fall decor because like I said, I don't really have a lot. I don't really decorate for fall, but I don't wanna put out the Christmas decoration yet since it's still kind of early, but I will soon. What is the holiday or season that you decorate the most? Leave me a comment down below, guys, because I would really love to know. I love talking to you. It's like the highlight of my day when you guys comment on my videos. Do you decorate for Christmas right away after taking down your Halloween decor? Leave me a comment down below. I would like to get your opinion because last year that's what I did, but my husband told me not to put it up right away. It's just seemed early, so I mean, I don't really mind. So I just put back my fall decoration this year. Okay, if you're wondering why it's dark outside now, it's because my vacuum's battery died while I was vacuuming earlier, so I charged it. Also, it was time for me to pick up my son from school, so I did that. And while I was waiting for my battery to get charged, since it takes about 3 hours, I took down my Halloween decorations outside because I have quite a few, so that's what I did. It wasn't late at night yet, it was just dark outside today. I'm not sure why, but it is. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful to tackle your own mess at home. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoy it. And share this to a friend to inspire them as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!